Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvanile so I'm back again with indaba zoku-PSL. Ama-team ayathenga engabe yakhe i-team iyathenga na. Kuyindaba engiyitholile namhlanje kuthiwa iMarumo Gallants have bolstered their squad by signing uJason Clifford. Mina ngikhumbula kahle ke lo mdlali lo was the main target Orlando Pirates bafethi striker lesi besidlala le overseas. But ke iMarumo Gallants ibe yenye ama-team engenile kwe-race yokumsayina lo mjida lo bagcina sebeyitholile ke isignature yakhe. Isingesazi ke noma Orlando Pirates ibhekofile kule deal ukumsayina lo mjida lo but ke iMarumo Gallants kube yiyona club ekwazile ukumsayina umjida imsayine on a short term deal. Le short term deal le bamsayina ngo-1 year kulo 1 year kuzo include i-option yokuyi-renew i-contract uma umjida edlale kahle. So usesayinwe iMarumo Gallants. Congratulations to iMarumo Gallants sebethole istrike esisha bafethu. Kwezinye indaba engizwile namhlanje kuthiwa amaZulu FC have completed the signing of umdlalo besuka ku-Cape Town Spurs. Mina ngikhumbula ke lo mjida I did a video a couple of weeks ago explaining ukuthi amaZulu were interested in signing this player. uLiam Byrne bafethu umdlali lo udlala esiswini bafethu prolific prospect le bafethu idlala ngempela lo mjida lo. Atazwaneke unalo italente lokwenza abadlali abancane bakwazi ukudlala kahle simbonile kwiKaizer Chiefs. Most of the youngsters adlala kwiKaizer Chiefs right now asuke esandleni sakhe uAtazwane. So ukuthola iyoungster kanje kumaZulu FC kuzoyishintsha kakhulu isystem ayidlalayo lapha kumaZulu. I hope lo mfana lo uzofike ashine lapha kumaZulu bafethu uLiam Byrne lo bafethu. Kuyindaba eshisayo ke namhlanje ama-fans Orlando Pirates happy kakhulu namhlanje ngoba Orlando Pirates i-announcile i-signing yabo ebaluleke kakhulu. Signing ebaluleke kakhulu le Orlando Pirates ayikade imfuna lo mdlalo uOsuna Police. Osuna Police bafethu is the new player, is the new winger iOrlando Pirates ke bafethu. Bamsayine namhlanje akakacaca kahle ukuthi bamsayine iminyaka emingaki i-contract yakhe ekanjani but ke he is the new winger iOrlando Pirates edlalele bafana mwase ubheke nje le squad esikhona right now. Squad esikahle lesi singakwazi ukuchallenge for ileague singesaziki yabo ucoach umusha mhlamba asinikeze okunye but ke for me these players asayiniwe akwazi ukusiza Orlando Pirates bayiwin ileague. Ungangitshela ama comments ungangiratela le signing le out of 10 unika bali signing le. Orlando Pirates have signed Osuna Police bafethu uvane mengakasho shoot amanga. Kwezinye zeindaba omunye wabadlali osayinwe Orlando Pirates namhlanje even though Orlando Pirates engam-announcanga imveze noOsuna Police umdlali lo ekuthiwa uLebone Siyema uyi-center back una 23 years old oqhamuka kwi-TS Galaxy. He was signed by Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates uyayibona ngempela iyasiqinisa isquad ngeke ngazike ukuthi uba uzohamba but ke right now bayaqinisa lapha ama center back just in case kulimalo oyedwa. Right now if I can count kukhona uMbokazi kube uyena lo mfana lo mase kuba khona uSibisi kube khona uNda kube khona uThapelo Xhoke yabo iwona ama center backs lawo esinawo currently. I hope umjito uzofika ahlale kuOrlando Pirates akwazi ukudlala kahle but ke Orlando Pirates namhlanje isayine another defender uLebone Siyema una 23 years old. He'll be part of the squad eso travela siyele eSpain siyojima neOrlando Pirates edlala ama pre-season games. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje one of the assistant coaches at Mamelodi Sundowns uJao Araujo has left the club due to family reasons according to unplayable bafethu. Kuthiwa he is not coming back but nothing else changes for now. But ke uJao Araujo he's left iMamelodi Sundowns usebuyelele kunenkinga eyikhona ekhaya. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iUppington City FC neDurban City have agreed on transfer terms for uTrevor Mokoena. uTrevor Mokoena ke striker lesi ebesidlalela iUppington City FC yabo umjida uzojoyina iDurban City lesathanda upromote. Last season ukore amagola u12 washaya ama-assist ayi5. Umdlali ushisa ngempela bafethu ozonikeza iDurban City leyo nto emnandi ngempela nje wabezongena kwiBetway Premiership yabo. Mwase ubheke ama-players asayinwe Orlando Pirates so far. Mwase ubheke uOsuna Police, uLebone Siyema, uAdublaye Mariko, uSipho Mbule, Yanela Mbuthuma, Masindi Nemtajela, Tsepang Moremi, Nkosikhona Ndaba, Sinoxolo Kwayiba, Tsepo Mashiliyoni, Sihle Ndule, Kabelo Khositsile lo ozolona back kwiBaroka FC but ke iwona ama-signings lawa asenziwe Orlando Pirates so far kule season le. I-agent yaFawaz Basadini namhlanje ikhulume nabeindaba. Mukhumbula kahle kuFawaz Basadini ulinked with iMamelodi Sundowns. Ishilo yasho ukuthi cha thina right now we have 2 bids from ama-team ase-North Africa. Yabo kunama-team awu2 ase-North Africa amfunayo uFawaz Basadini but ke iclient yakhe isa contracted with iStelis yabo umjidi usadlala eStellenbosch so far iMamelodi Sundowns ayikakalethi bid kwiStellenbosch but there are two clubs aqhamuke eNorth Africa esewalethile ama-bid to sign the wingback. Kwezinye zeyindaba eziphumayo namhlanje kuthiwa iMagesi FC leads the race to sign a new goalkeeper uEphraim Motibedi ona 26 years old ubedlala kwiHungry Lions. Umjida ke bafethu bevimba kahle right now uyi-free agent iMagesi FC iyalida ekumsayinini. Kwezinye zeyindaba eziphume namhlanje iStellenbosch FC im-announcile umdlalo wayo omusha oyi-striker Muzomuhle Khanye obedlala kwi-second tier team iHungry Lions. Lo mjida uyi-striker sangempela esishaya amagoli awu-18 last season. Umjida wayelinked ukuthi Orlando Pirates but ke iStelis yagcina ikwazile ukumsayina. Orlando Pirates ya-opted to sign uYanela Mbuthuma odlalela iRichards Bay FC. Kwezinye zeyindaba eziphume namhlanje iSasol isponsor seBanyana Banyana namhlanje icontract yabo expire but ke iSasol yona iyafuna ukurenew icontract yakhe isalinde ifeedback from uSafa but ke right now iSasol isponsor sayo siphelile si-expire. Kwezinye zeyindaba eziphume namhlanje uRogers Desabre njengoba ngikhulumile ngayo izolo uRogers Desabre fethu namhlanje ke bam-announcele iCape Town Spurs isithole ucoach omusha uRogers Desabre oqhamuka kuyona iCape Town City yabo izinto zenzeke eKapa bafethu izinto zimabheke etwana. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa iChipa United neSikhukhune United are chasing the services of umdlali okuthiwa ubani uNtsondwana. Lo mjida-ke udlalela iRichards Bay FC ubedlalela actually iRichards Bay FC bamfuna ukumsayina iChipa United neSikhukhune United bafuna ukumsayina lo mjida lo udlala ngempela lapha phambili unaleyo physicality leyo idingayo kwi-striker yabo. Kwezinye zeyindaba eziphume namhlanje iSwelele Football Club imentsha esoyibona kwiBetway Premiership izobizwa ngeSwelele Football Club le esathanda kuthenga istatus kwiSuperSport United njoba niyibona nje ilona badge leli abazolisebenzisa Siwelele Football Club. Masubheke la ilona jersey leli abazolisebenzisa mase iqalile isizini entsha. Uma nibona nje ngangitshela ama-comments nisizwa kanjani ngaleli jersey but ke ilona jersey so far asenziwa ama-replica mase nikhombisela away nalela away futhi elenziwe yabo so far ikona esisakwazi ngeSwelele Football Club iSwelele FC yabo it's not Bloemfontein Celtic FC it is Swelele FC asazi na into esangixaka ukuthi kahle kahle shuthi izoba khona iBloemfontein Celtic mase kuba khona enye iclub ekuzobizwa ngeSwelele FC angazi mhlambe lento izofana njengemukhumbula kahle wakhona iMorocco Swallows mase kuba khona iSwallows FC yabo mhlambe into ezocisha ifane kanjalo but ke ngisa confused do kwamanje I will make i-research mhlambe munalo ulwazi ungangitshela ama-comments lento izowenzakala kanjani ngabe kuzoba khona iBloemfontein Celtic mase kuba khona le club leSwelele FC asazi but ke sidlule kwezinye indaba uMahlatsi Magodobela ona 35 years old usejoine iclub yase-Angola bafethu. Menikhumbula kahle uScudi parted ways with AS Vita before ajoine le club le so uzojoina le club le ebizwa ngani ngeWilite